Okay guys, welcome to the Mooncoin channel. My name is Sudhara and today I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video guys, and this is about Bitcoin. Right now the Bitcoin is pumping so hard guys. Okay, so I'm going to share my next support and resistance level with you guys. Okay, let's dive into the charts. So as you can see, I'm in the 4-hour candlesticks. Okay guys, right now the Bitcoin, you can see exactly as I predicted, it has broken guys. Okay, it has broken through this rising wedge. Okay, it has broken through this rising wedge, and right now guys, it has broken through this and it has come down to the support level guys. You know what is the support level of this rising wedge guys? Okay, where it begins. Okay, where it has begun, it has begun from this line guys. Okay, here where it has begun. Okay, so the target also should be there guys. Okay, exactly it has reached to its target guys. Okay, so what would the Bitcoin will do next guys? Okay, let's find it out. Fine, now you can see the Bitcoin has it has broken through this 2.272 area guys, and now it is reaching to its the gold line guys. This is where the Bitcoin has it has rejected so many times. Mainly it has rejected twice, but you can see there is 1 2 3 candles, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 candles guys. Okay, altogether 11 candles have been rejected guys. Okay, so I think this gold line will be a massive rejections guys. Okay, it is a massive resistance for Bitcoin. So right now Bitcoin is reached into that massive resistance guys. Okay, so you can see, right? Yes. Anyway guys, as you can see, this Fibonacci level, this Fib retracement is no longer valid because we have reached to its maximum target 2.272. now I have to scale this up guys. Okay, so I will take this from bottom to top. This is my bottom target and this is my top, of course. So guys, according to the Fib retracement, you can see guys, my first resistance level will be around here guys. Okay, that means the price tag 22,400 area guys. Okay, but to be honest with you guys, I still think the Bitcoin can crash even before pump into this. Okay, I think still it can come down, but only if this Bitcoin keep pumping guys. This is a very good resistance level to short guys. Okay, I am still talking like that because of the historical data guys. You can see according to history, Bitcoin has rejected, as I showed you before. Okay, so if by any chances guys, if the Bitcoin could reach to this level and broke through this 22,400 area guys, then what would be my next target? Yes, this one will be my next target, 22,800 price tag guys. Okay, so my first resistance is around 22,400, and my other resistance after breaking this resistance level, then the 22,800 area, as I have informed you earlier in my previous videos also, I have talked about this 22,800 area will be the most resisted area. Okay, so please be cautious around these price tags guys. Only if Bitcoin reaches this level, I think this is a very good opportunity for shorting 22,400 price tag and 22,800 price tags. Okay, so guys, only if think that we have broken these resistance levels also. Okay, 22,800 also, then what would be next? Yes, you can see 1.272, 23,481 price tag, then 1.414. I really don't think guys it can happen. It could reach easily. I don't know. This is a game of support and resistance. Okay, no one can predict the exact price tags, but only if we reach to these price tags and broke these price levels, then guys, we can expect yes, we can expect these price tags, okay, 1.414, and my maximum target would be around 1.618, guys, okay. But I don't think it would reach to that much higher, guys, because I am really expecting a recession in 2023, okay. I am expecting it, and all the stocks and indices and all the markets will be crashed down, okay. So these are my predictions. This might be wrong, please be aware. But anyway, I'm still thinking some kind of a very big crash is needed, and I think once the Bitcoin reached to this level, and if it couldn't hold this 15,000 area, and guys, yeah, it will probably go more downside, guys, okay, around 10k 12k area, I don't know. I will come up with those price levels once it is rejected from these levels, guys, okay. So guys, so anyhow, we have now pumped so hard, and I really didn't expect this, okay. I thought that the Bitcoin has stopped out right there, 21,650. Yes, guys, this is what the crypto market is, okay. We can't exactly predict. This is only a game of between support and resistance, please be aware. Anyway, I have in my previous videos also I have talked to you that I am expecting this Elliott wave right like that, okay. You can see, yes, 1 2 3. I think the third wave of the Elliott wave has been completed, and I think the correction wave, okay, this fourth correction wave also has occurred right there, and I think right now the Bitcoin is making its fifth wave of Elliott wave, okay. So accordingly, I think, guys, most probably there would be the next resistance, or if we break this through, then guys, yes, I don't know, yeah, anyway, around 22,800 area will be my next resistance level. So accordingly, this fifth wave will be ended there, and a big correction is needed for Bitcoin to even for an uptrend, or anyway, I don't think that it would happen. Anyway, I think it will most probably, I don't think really that the Bitcoin can go over this line 22,400, okay, this gold line, which is the Bitcoin has been rejected twice, okay, twice. I thought, yeah, I saw that 8 candles were rejected in that by that resistance line, okay. Anyway, guys, I think the Bitcoin is now having support according to the 4-hour candlesticks. The Bitcoin has gained its support from yes, of course, it has gained its support from 50 EM area, this red line, and according to 4-hour, yes, guys, yes, it is on its 20 EMA right now. And guys, if we go to the day candles, guys, please be aware, okay. You can see at each time when the Bitcoin price is reaching to its sky, okay, it has always come seeking support from this 20 EMA or 50 EMA. You can see, right? Once it is skyrocketed, then it needs that support like that, okay. So you can see here also the Bitcoin pumped so hard, and the distance between the candlesticks and the 20 EM area, when it is getting bigger and bigger, then it will crash, okay. You can see at each time it always seeking this support from 20 EMA and 50 EMA, okay. So here also you can see what has happened. Yes, the distance between the candlesticks and the 20 EMA has become bigger and bigger, then it has always seeking that support line, guys, support level, yes, okay. So if the Bitcoin couldn't take that support from the 20 EMA, it will seek the support from this red or the 50 EMA, guys, okay. It has always happened. You can see each time once the Bitcoin has overextended in the day candles, when it is overextended and the distance between this 20 EMA and the candles are so big, so what has happened? It has always reached to that 20 EMA to get support, but only if it couldn't get that support from the 20 EMA, then it has always, yeah, it has got the support from this 50 MA line, guys. Okay, so that is how the markets are working. Right now you can see what, yes, right now the Bitcoin has forgotten to take that support, guys. Okay, so you can see the distance, the gap is too heavy. Okay, it's too big. Okay, so I think some kind of a retracement to this 20 MA in the day candles, it is needed for Bitcoin for a healthy uptrend, guys. Okay, but I don't think it could keep the support on it, whether it is possible or not. Anyhow, we need that support, guys. Okay, so please expect that. Okay, this is the these waves are not going like crazy, guys. Okay, they are not just going, they are not skyrocketed. Okay, they won't skyrocket. Okay, they need support. They are always moving as the impulsive wave, guys. Okay, these kind of direct lines are not there. Okay, they have to go like this and take the support and like that, guys. Okay, the impulsive waves. Okay, you can't expect that kind of a parabolic movement. Okay, sometimes it is happening, that parabolic movement, but you can't expect that at each time. And I think the Bitcoin is really needed this 20 MA support, and it will reach to that support so soon. So please expect some kind of crash, guys. Okay, anyway, don't be overwhelmed. Okay, Bitcoin is not going to that area that you are thinking. It is not reaching to this all-time high in this time. Okay, I is still thinking another some kind of a crash. Okay, because recession is incoming. And guys, please don't be overwhelmed, don't be panic, don't jump into the Bitcoin right now. Okay, this is overextended, guys. Okay, big green candles. What would happen if you buy big green candles? Okay, yes, you will end up with big red candles, guys. Okay, so please be aware that, please be cautious. And guys, another I have another important thing to show you. If we take the MACD, I will remove these drawings. Yes, I'll keep this here. And guys, this is really important thing. Okay, this is the only bullish scenario that I am seeing. You know what, I'm trying to show you all the support and resistance levels, all the best case scenarios and the worst case scenarios, and I'm always telling you what my opinions are, what my predictions are. Okay, so it is up to you to pick my predictions or not, guys. Okay, anyway, right now you can see, if I go to the weekly candles, yes guys, see this very carefully. This is really important. Okay guys, when we consider about the MACD, once we are having a bullish cross below the zero line, guys. Okay, this is the zero line. Once we are having a bullish cross from MACD below the zero line, it is really bullish. It is a strong bullish signal. And as you can see right here, what has happened, guys, it has pumped so hard. Okay, the bull run has begun. So guys, if we go to right there, the other cycle that the bull run has begun, guys, see this right there. Okay, what has happened? Yes guys, yes, what has happened? Another bullish cross, guys, below the zero line. So what has happened right there? Yes guys, right after that signal, the Bitcoin has pumped. Okay, it has begun that bull run. Okay, so guys, here also you can see, guys. Okay, it is so clear. This is a very good signal, guys. Here also that signal were there. Okay, so guys, wow, what a parabolic movement, right? What a pump, a huge pump, guys. Okay, what, I can't understand. Anyway guys, we have come to the end. Anyway guys, what I wanted to show you is right now that bullish signal or the bullish cross below that zero line of the MACD. Yes guys, it has arisen. Okay, right now you can see the same bullish cross below that zero line that the MACD has shown in each bear market bottoms, guys. Yes, right now also we can see that, guys. Okay, so but this is not mean that we are out of the wood, guys. Okay, even yeah, still this can be possible like that. Okay, it can, yeah, it can make a bear cross like that, and it can crash more downside. Okay, I really expect it. Okay, anyway, please don't take any decision in my call. Okay, you have to do your own research. Please do that. Okay, guys, I think you got what I wanted to show you. Anyway, yes, these targets will be my next main resistance levels in this area. Okay, I think once it is reached to this, okay, the Bitcoin, once it is reached to this line, guys, this resistance line, it will most probably, it will be rejected. Okay, so be cautious around this line, guys. Okay guys, so I think you got something new today. Thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe. Okay guys, we'll meet tomorrow also with Solana update. Until then, see you, goodbye.